Hi friends, this is called a Venn diagram. And what it is when you have two separate piles of something and then one that is both. For example, we have objects that are big and objects that are small, objects that have stripes and objects that are plain. So this says big, this says striped. This says big and striped. So you're going to cut out down here your items and then you're going to take a look at it. Here is a star that is striped, but it's also big. So you're going to put it in between the two because it's big, it's striped. Then the next one is striped, but it's not big, so we just go under striped. And then you're going to go all the way down here. You do not have to glue it on so that you can do it over and over. Even though it says glue, it's up to you. But you can keep practicing if you do not glue it. Have lots of fun. Bye, friends.